But we still have 2 more
start this program at this juncture. All important public hearing open.
can do so at the Secretariat, and we have representatives effort-making event towards the establishment of universities in Nigeria for even development and equitable opportunities education as a system may bring to our doorstep. As stakeholders working to improve and build on the working and gains so far made in the education sector, the Senate Committee is therefore reaffirming its commitment of rejuvenating the tertiary infrastructure teaching and learning condition in our tertiary institution for the better. It is our collective desire and shared legislative values for camaraderie in the Senate to make the education sector vibrant through proactive legislation and more pragmatic and value-oriented, while ensuring a system that is more robust, affordable, and accessible to the socialization of the teeming Nigerian youth. Education as catalyst for research and innovative solution for sustainable development, and as an enabler for building student morals while preparing them for future challenges. Require improvement from time to time to ensure utilization of both human and natural resources for the citizen better standard of living. The Senate will not relent on its oaths and will continue to show credibility in its leadership and inclusiveness in its legislation to change the existing narrative built around education sector for better delivery of education and tertiary institutions and services. Mr. President, distinguished colleagues, hearing is targeted at social inclusion and public participation in the process of legislation. The public hearing encapsulates 4 bills as aforementioned, which seeks to establish universities and for the upgrade of the existing colleges of education with better infrastructural facility to serve the purpose of dispensing higher values. Existing universities can offer for the purpose of dispensing, for the purpose of training a focused, qualified, efficient, and dedicated crop of teachers. The Texas decided the most at the moment. It is our hope that when these universities come into force, it will enhance greatly the qualities of our teachers and tertiary education in general. The Steel University at Jakarta is ambitious to empower Nigerians to explore and develop the needed capacity and capability around steel management and improve design to speed up the process of industrialization. Also, it serves as skills acquisition, development, and utilization of natural resources. The third bill, which prohibits discrimination or dichotomy between BSc and HND graduates, as those coming out of polytechnics are being discriminated against their counterparts from the universities. As such, faced with stagnation at the bar placed at particular level in their career progression in the public service hindered their social mobility along the strata as they grow higher, especially during promotions and employment. Therefore, the bill seeks to free HND graduates from stagnation of career progression and any form of discrimination against higher diplomas in both public and private sector. Let me reaffirm the magnanimity of the Senate in support of the educational sector and infrastructural development as one narrow task and commitment for which the 9th Senate, under the able leadership of President Ahmed Lawal, is determined to ensure the Nigerian people get quality education at their doorstep. Will definitely serve as a pathway for affordable education resources centers of excellence. Hence, the Senate Committee will continue to support tertiary institutions by enacting the enabling laws to improve higher education across the length and breadth of the country. On this note, the Senate Committee on Tertiary Institutions and TEDFOR is therefore up to set in motion mechanisms that will allow for improvement in all facets of our education in the country for better tomorrow. Before I end,
I'm confident that greater input is expected from you as Nigerians, most especially stakeholders in the education sector, who are in a better position to provide the most needed solutions to forge ahead. Let me assure you that the Senate Committee on Tertiary Institutions and TED Fund will consider the memorandum of the respective organizations and associations as basis for the actualization of this laudable exercise. At this job,
President Muhammad Buhari can make us have the joy we had during Sardauna if only we upgrade this university to a full-fledged university. Our people are highly educated, but we felt we have been neglected. All the colleges that were established along with our own in Kaba, they are now full-fledged university. The question is, what is our offense?
See by the open people given above, it will be seen that establishing a university in that territory has been their heart desire. Education is the #1 industry of our people. And no matter how small the opportunity is, we exploit it to promote it. The turnout of the people for this event is a testimony of their interest in education as a social leveler and the liberator from the shackles of poverty.
It will be honorable for this house to know that we from the polytechnic sector, we wrote the same entry examination with our counterparts in the universities. And on no ground should we be discriminated against. I just want to read out the justification of HND as an equivalent of BSc. 1, same entry requirement, 5 credit pass, including English and mathematics. I'd like to state again that gone are days when we used to write MPCE and UTME differently. Now it has been unified. We call it Unified Tertiary Matriculation Examination. And that tells you that if you don't pass that, you cannot gain entry into either university or polytechnic. Secondly, same 5 years course duration of study. We did 2 years for HND, 2 years HND, and 1 year compulsory IT. Remember, SciWest for 4 months is inclusive. So what knowledge are you talking about that we don't have in the polytechnic sector? Ratio 70:30 practical and theory curriculum for HND as against ratio 60:40 theory.
So in Inokun, we are very, very united in this, and I don't think there will be any nail to this agitation. So on this note,
a few distinguished senators, if this bill pass through your chamber, when it gets to green chamber, it's as good as it's passed, because there is no Senate bill that comes to us that we joke with, and this is even one of my bill. I'm partner to Senator Smart Adeyemi in this bill, and I pray, as we all hope, our hope will not be dashed.